I'm thinking about getting a tube of 20 silver rounds. So I was looking for the best price. Oddly enough, I was also looking for free shipping. So that kind of cuts out a lot of places like silver.com, for example. The free shipping is, over $3,000 worth. So usually when I do this, JM Bullion is the cheapest, which is one of the reasons I do actually get a lot of what I buy from them. But I got an email, this is back in stock. So I was thinking about getting a tube of 20. See, one advantage I have with them is I have twofold actually, but I have the ability to do the check online. They have my information so I can use a check and get the better price without actually having to send in a check and wait, several days. So it'd be like paying with a credit card or PayPal immediately, but getting the check price. It's not that much difference as far as this goes. I could send in my military ID thing or whatever and get the military discount. It's 45 cents times 20 equals $9. So while it is worth sending it in, it's not that big an issue on this one order. I don't know if they offer that here or not, but their price is a little cheaper. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to try to go through, and because these prices change every few seconds. I don't know how long, but all of these offer similar free shipping over $99. Free shipping over $99. Free shipping over $99. This just says fast shipping. Okay, so I don't know if they offer free shipping or not. Okay, so this may not be free shipping anyway. AppMax free shipping over $99. And Provident is one of my other go-tos, but for some reason they've got these priced relatively high this go around. And I have bought from Silvertown. I'm trying to think of who else, but I just recently bought from Provident. So they're like my second go-to place. But let me reset all these real quick and see. So this is 1986. $1987. 1986. I probably should do this quicker so they all reset at about the same time. 1984. 1970. I think I may have thought that said free shipping. 1968. 1964. 1964. 1958. 1957. 1950. And still 1950. Okay, so to save 7 cents to order from here would be $1.40. I've never ordered from this company, so I have no idea. But it's probably worth looking into, especially if they offer the same military discount. Which the way JM Bullion works, if you send in your military credentials where you were served in the military, you get the lowest published price. So if I ordered in this column and I only ordered, 1 through 19, I would still get the 1912 price. But I ignore stuff like this. Everybody says they're the lowest price. Usually they're not. Although I have heard great things of SD Bullion. I've never heard of this company other than on the web, so I don't know. I can't say anything about them. I don't know anything about them. They're already closed, so I can't call and see what the shipping would be or if they charge shipping. This is stupid. Why didn't they just put whatever's here in this box? Okay, so shipping's not that expensive. To a degree, roughly $7. It's not really worth thinking about. They seem to be biased toward the state of Minnesota. I don't know why that's about. That's weird. Well, it's good it's sent insured. So that would be this page, yep, all over again. So okay, so that adds $7 total to here. Does that put them above APMEX? I don't know. I've never ordered from APMEX either. I'm just aware of them. They may have things that the other companies don't. And I'm surprised that Providence price is that much higher than normal. Still 1987. I also don't know if they offer a military discount or not. When I sold some silver, I think it was Provident that I sold it to. So let me decide whether I want to actually do this or pay down debt based on this. It makes JM Bullion the clear winner, although technically Silver Gold Bull's the real winner, but it's only $1. What did I say? $1.40? And I don't even have an account with them, so I would have to go through a lot more for that $1.40. $19.57, $19.64, 7 cents. So if you're an SD Bullion fan, it'll cost you $1.40 more. I don't remember having an account with SD Bullion either. Wait, what? This poop may be out of stock with them. How can you tell if it's in stock or not? Uh-oh. Let me find another product to look at. What would be a good one to look at? 2-ounce silver rounds. Ooh, that's wicked cool, ain't it? Okay, so it looks like the difference here is whether you get an add to cart or a notify me. Seems simple enough. Okay, let's do this. This says add to cart. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. That is a lot of arrows coming in from everywhere. Really pretty. Does JM have that? Yes, they do. So one would be 42.56. Here, one is 42.09. So SD's got them by a decent amount on this one. But that kills SD on this category here because they don't even have this poop in stock. So I can't use them if I wanted to. It looks like that should scroll, but it don't. Alright, let me figure out if I want to buy silver or pay down debt. And I doubt very seriously that I want to start another series. Let me know what you think. Should I buy silver or should I pay off debt or just keep the cash for later? So there's still in stock. There's a still in stock. Okay, available now. Add to cart. In stock, ready to ship. So sadly, SD's the only one of the group that's been bought out already. And they do have very low prices. I've heard a lot of great things about them. I just haven't ever ordered from them. So I'm going to decide whether I want to do this or not. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you like, if you want, if you can. Oh, like and subscribe is free today. And every other day. And I will see you in the next video.